Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 8 benefits of drinking Bhindi, okra, water with honey on an empty stomach. Number 1. Improves digestion naturally. Okra is rich in mucilage, a gel-like substance that helps soothe the digestive tract. Drinking okra water on an empty stomach can relieve constipation, reduce bloating, and promote smooth bowel movements. Adding honey enhances its soothing effect. Number 2. Controls blood sugar levels. Okra contains compounds like polyphenol and flavonoids that help regulate blood glucose levels. It slows the absorption of sugar in the intestines, making it a natural aid for people managing diabetes. When taken in the morning, it helps set the tone for better sugar control throughout the day. Number 3. Boosts immunity and fights infections. Okra is loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. When mixed with honey, a natural antibacterial, it becomes a powerful tonic to strengthen your immune system and protect against seasonal colds and infections. Number 4. Supports heart health. The soluble fiber in okra helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, levels, while honey provides heart-protective antioxidants. This combo helps maintain healthy blood pressure and improves overall cardiovascular health. Number 5. Enhances skin glow. Regularly drinking okra water can flush out toxins from your body. Combined with the antibacterial and moisturizing properties of honey, it helps reduce acne, clear your skin, and give it a natural glow from within. Number 6. Aids in weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, okra water helps curb hunger and prevents overeating. Taken on an empty stomach, it improves metabolism and keeps you feeling full for longer, making it a great addition to your weight loss routine. Number 7. Strengthens bones and joints. Okra contains vitamin K, calcium, and folate, nutrients that support bone density and joint strength. Drinking it daily can help prevent issues like arthritis and joint pain over time. Number 8. Improves eye health. Loaded with vitamin A and beta-carotene, okra supports better vision and protects against age-related eye problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Got any questions or remedies you swear by? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.